Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I wanted to talk about, well, not talk about, but like show you guys the new laptop I got. So my old laptop, like the word implies old. I've had it since like 2016, and so the laptop really began to give me a lot of trouble, and I couldn't run a couple of engineering softwares I need, so I needed another laptop. So your girl went out and got another laptop. Well, I didn't go out. I got it on Amazon. I got another laptop, and so I just wanted to, give you guys a quick review and also show you guys what the laptop's about, and encourage you guys to buy it because the laptop's actually nice and it's a very budget-friendly student laptop. So if you want to, see that, keep watching. Before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends and family. Join the family because I promise you won't regret it. Let go. So here I'm just setting up the computer, following all the instructions on screen and setting up the computer, getting it ready for use and all of that. And then here I'm setting up the fingerprint technology so that I don't have to always, sign in with my password whenever I want to use the computer. I can just, touch the fingerprint thing and to read my fingerprint and I'm in there. So I really like that because it's just easy breezy. And then here this one comes with a built-in privacy shutter, which is something I really like because your baby girl don't like showing her face all the time when she's in a meeting or in a class. So I really like the privacy shutter, like how it's inbuilt, so I can just slide it left and right every time I'm in a meeting or in a class or something, and I don't have to always show my face on camera. So now the computer is taking a sweet potato time to just get everything ready, get everything prepared, and to usher me into the world of this new computer. I'm ready for it. Bring it on. So for this one, I'm not going to bring all the files from my old laptop onto this computer. I'm actually just going to get an external drive and then just connect the drive whenever I need any files from there. I don't want to use up the space on this one. So now I think the computer is finished setting up everything. Yeah, and we are in there. So computer is set up and ready for use. So now let's go ahead and talk about the specs. So I go. I'm super excited about this laptop because I really wanted to get this laptop because of the 2-in-1 experience. So it functions both as a notebook, as a regular laptop, and as a tablet. So I didn't want to be taking my notes, my lecture notes on paper and pen anymore, because I didn't want to carry a lot of books with me anymore. And also I just wanted everything to be in one space, one place, so I don't have to have a separate book for my, let's say, my finite element class, and then a separate book for my HVAC class or something. I wanted a place where I could have everything all in one, and I don't have to carry paper around and all of that. And besides, with school being online, I didn't want to deal with all of that. So that's really why I wanted to get this laptop, and I'm really excited. I'm really happy that I got it because it's been amazing. It's been amazing using this laptop, well, so far since school started. And yeah, I like it. So this is the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 14. It comes with 3 USB ports, a HDMI port. It also comes with the AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor, a pretty good processor. It's 14 inches. The screen size is 14 inches. It's able to bend 360. Like I said, it's a 2-in-1 experience, so it's able to bend 360. You can use it both as a laptop and as a tablet. It's touch screen, and it also comes with a pen. It also comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD. So the SSD is upgradable, and you can always upgrade that if you want. You can always change that if you want. It also has fingerprint technology, so instead of typing in your password all the time to log into your laptop, you just use your finger. You just use your finger. So it has fingerprint technology, and it also comes with a privacy shutter. So yeah, those are the specs of this laptop. And the AMD processor is it's a pretty powerful processor. You get a lot of good use out of this laptop, and you can do a lot of things on this laptop because the processor is powerful and fast and all of that. So I think it's good for students to get because, one, is affordable. It has a long battery life. So on here it says like 10-hour battery life, but I've been able to use it for about 6 hours as a stretch without charging it. So when you charge it to full, I've been able to use it for about 6 hours as a stretch without having to charge it. I think it can go beyond 6 hours because when I used it, it was only at without charging it was only at I think 20% or 35%, one of them, before I put it to charge again, and that was for 6 hours. So you can go for, let's say, about 8 hours or so if you want to use it from 100% to 0%. Yeah, you could probably use it for about 8 hours or so before you have to charge it again. It comes with a 2-in-1 experience, so you can use it as a tablet and you can use it as a notebook or a laptop, a regular laptop. I think that's a pretty good one, especially for students. If you want to get rid of your paper and pen, you can just use this one to take your notes, handwritten. You can write your notes with it has a stylus pen for you to write your notes with. I think the 2-in-1 experience is actually really nice, and it's portable. It's not too big, so you definitely still get that kind of tablet-ish experience. Yeah, so far I've used this laptop since school began, and I've really enjoyed it. Actually, I liked it. It's fast. I like the sleek, whole nice vibe. I'm able to run my software on it without any problems. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend this to a student. It's very affordable. Right now it retails for about $600 or so, about $600 to $800 depending on where you're buying it from. Yeah, it definitely is affordable. So to review it, so far the only thing I've really noticed is that when it's in tablet mode and you click on the task view option, it tends to flicker a bit when it's switching between windows. It's not anything too crazy, but I was just a teeny little bit part of my mind was just it's just supposed to be like that. Yeah, it's not anything too serious, but sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. So I don't know exactly how to categorize that. Oh, and the pen lags a little bit. The pen lags a bit, but it's not anything too crazy. You would only really notice the lag when it's in slow motion. But apart from that, it's actually an awesome device, and you'll get a lot of good use and experience out of it. But yeah, I was really excited about this laptop, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you're looking for a good back to school laptop at an affordable price that gives you a 2-in-1 experience. Definitely check out the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 14, and I think you would enjoy using it. I'll definitely recommend this one. If you guys want a detailed video on how I take my notes on this laptop, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I will definitely make that video for you guys. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Deuces. Have a good one.